Now, 1, 2, 3.
Some girls are born with looks to kill. Some girls are born with intimate skill. Some girls are just concerned with fun. Some girls are like an SNL skit at a quarter to one. What I need is a two-sided coin. She better satisfy my brain as well as my loins. She better wear a tight dress and have a mind that's strong. I want brains and a body, is that so wrong? When she shows me her brain cells, then my pride suddenly swells. Like a Botticelli chick, she's on the half shell, but she likes getting nasty like Tori Wells. Brains, body, bow. Brains, body, bow. Brains, body, bow. I wanna eat my cake and have it too. It's true. It's scary, a dictionary is very good to try and retain and impress, but I also don't mind a vinyl dress. 2 inches watching Jeopardy, she never has to guess. You may ask why I'm specific. Well, dumb girls make me soporific. I need a brain and a body that are both terrific. Like a domain name that's case specific. She's the queen of conversation, a panel member around face the nation, but she gets on all fours without hesitation, and she got the best seat without a reservation. Brains, body, bow. Brains, body, bow. Brains, body, bow. I want a 6-inch heel and a high IQ. Perrier, she reads Baudelaire. I like the smell of hair and her underwear, cause the derriere goes from here to there. She's like 2-4 times rack, kick and snare. She goes to museums like Whitney to learn about the pigment at the installation. She also knows S. Morgenstern is a figment of imagination. She always puts Horace before the card. She can make a point like George Seurat. She can choke the chicken like Julia Child, and she knows how to make my Oscar wild. Brains, body, bow. Brains, body, bow. Brains, body, bow. She got brains and a brick house pot to behold. She knows Effie's iron and AU's gold. She got the origami hands that can flex and fold. Love for sale, I'm sold, I'm sold. Boys, don't be afraid of a high IQ. A girl with smarts knows what to do. She reads Masters and Johnson and Kinsey too. Boys, do I lie?
It's true, it's true.
Brains, body, bow. You better know who the hell is Eddie Johnson, and have a Brit wit like Emma Thompson. You can use iron to cut and slay, and you can have the chunky glasses like Tina Fey. You better like films by Kurosawa. You better stay naked outside the shower. Better ding dang dingle for over an hour, then calculate binomials to the 10th power. Brains, body, bow. Brains, body, bow. Brains, body, bow. Brains, body, bow. It's true. I want a high IQ. How about you? Huh. She can make my whip stick out my candle. She knows which one is hiding and which one is handle. So baby, put on a dress that barely fits. Then shake your ass and show me your whiz. Brains, body, bow. Brains, body, bow. Brains, body, bow. Brains, body, bow.